So Rebecca just got in from Arizona. We're on the way to pick her up. Hey, Rebecca, I'm outside.
I'm standing out here.
We just went to the wrong hotel, so we're gonna go pick her up at the right hotel now.
We are proud to present you with your new Drifter van.
Step on up. There's home.
I think the van turned out pretty nice. A lot of unique touches with it. I really like the way the toilet seat folds with the little multi-hinge. Other than that, I think it was a pretty clean build.
During the course of choosing things for the van, we decided that she wanted a little place for the dog to be able to go and to sleep. So came up with this cute idea. He's going to be sleeping in the back of the van, but we have a little roll-up curtain in there with a little doggy design on it that I think she's going to love for him. And she liked blue, so there's a lot of blue incorporated into it, and it's just a very simple, clean look for Rebecca.
Wow. That smile makes it all worth it.
And my dog's gonna love her little hut.
Yeah. I'll tell you how all that works. It was all constructed just for you.
Wow.
I didn't expect that, to have a interior designer. It kind of makes it next level.
Better than you thought?
Yeah.
That's what I want to hear
Yep.
every time.
Yeah. It's way better than I thought.
Fantastic.
I love it. My family's gonna be jealous.
Oh, they're gonna be really jealous. You're gonna be getting a lot of, well, I'm not using it this weekend. They're gonna be really jealous.
Yep. Yeah, this is cool.
This is really cool. Yeah, it turned out great. It's
Yeah.
just a beautiful van.
It was really easy. It was really easy. So you guys made it simple.
Kathleen did a great job. You did a great job because you picked it all, right?
Yeah, I did, but she helped because I'm like, I don't know. It looked good. I don't
She's
know.
great. Yeah, I
Yeah.
love the like the just the pillows, just
Yeah.
the little details that she put in.
Yeah.
I thought it all really came together. Really nice.
It's beautiful. It's like nicer than my house.